this big ass space for no apparent reason, but just for me to get through. I have to really thank you for letting me shortcut you like that, you know? It's kind of you. Oh yeah, that reminds me. So, we're going to talk about... Oh no, I'm sick. Ugh. We're going to talk about... Yes, sir. We're going to talk about the brand new 2019 Kawasaki. Yes, Kawasaki zx6r. So, the difference between the 2018 and 2019 model, it's very identical besides the body. It looks completely different. And not only that, but the 2019 model has shorter gearing to give it more of the bottom and power band. Dude, what the fuck is this guy doing? Dumbass. To give it more bottom and power. Alright, but that's all that changes. There's nothing else different about it. But here's the thing. There's one thing that I really don't like about the zx6r, the 2019 model, and that is the look. Oh my god, how horrible it looks. This is no. So I understand. Here's the thing: how the whole thing makes up to that point. So there comes H2, right? The H2 came out, and then later on they decided to make the Ninja 400, and then they tried to make that look like the H2. Well, at least it has similar body, very similar body style. It's just the headlights are completely different, and some other pieces are completely different, and then made it look like a weird 400. I personally don't really care about the 400, but then they transfer over the 400 to the new zx6r look. I was like, no, why? Why did they do that? It just looks horrible now. I really don't like the looks of it. They really downgraded that badly from the 2018 model. Unless with Yamaha, or Yamaha in this case, Yamaha did a much better job and they did it right. They made a pristine motorcycle, of course, with all Yamahas. You're not running Honda. Shut the fuck up. Anyways, they made this pristine. Was it 2014, 2015? That's when it came out? I don't remember. R1. And it looks amazing. I really like the look. Some people don't really like the looks. It's understandable, but for most people and we all really like the looks of it. I was like, wow, that's really nice. And then at some point later, they made the R6 look like the R1. I was like, yes, it's something different now, which is a really good thing. So Yamaha did it right, and they did a good job about it. And the Kawasaki did a horrible job about it. They just did the opposite. It's just like, why? Why would you do such a thing? It's just, no. Everything about it is just no. Oh, I need to be over here. See you, Cap. Hey, sorry, I just need to be over here. Thank you. Anyways, where was I? Oh yeah. So yeah, Yamaha did it a lot better than the Kawasaki because of that reason. You know, at least, you know what Kawasaki should have done is that they should have at least got some actual people and see what their honest opinion about the looks. I'm just like, why? You know, it's that bad. You know, I'd rather prefer the Honda CBR 600RR looks, and yes, the newest one too. It's that bad. Actually, I don't mind the brand new Honda looks. Actually, the 600R. A lot of people say they don't like it, but honestly, I do like it. I do like it. Hell, I even like the Squidmobile better, the Suzuki better too. That's even better. Which is also referred to as the Suzuki Gixxer or zx6r. I prefer the Squidmobile because that's just what it is. Oh my god, hurry your slow ass up, bitch. Jesus Christ.